The road is quite traffic. You can see Belgrave neighborhood center on my left side. It's famous with Asian shop here. It's a lot of place selling gold and takeaways. The most famous road in Leicester. We got Mahatma Gandhi statue here. Belgrave cycle going city center straight. It's a lovely day, isn't it, Pak?
Yeah, wonderful day, full sun, wonderful food.
Empire Hall.
This is one of the iconic building in Leicester, which now become a wedding venue.
We are at King Power Stadium, Leicester. Fox Fan Store. Leicester fans. Beli satu ya, buy one.
By all today.
It's locked, Pak, ya?
Yeah, it's not. Unfortunately, we are here, but the place is locked. Actually, this is the memorial for Mr. Wichai, which unfortunately, in very tragic incident, which bring the honor of the Leicester City, fell down here. So they built a memorial just dedicated to him.
The accident, it was October 2018. King Power Stadium, Leicester. 2015, 2016, they won the Premier League. Yeah, they paint, make it like tropical countries. Got nice line for bicycle in the city of Leicester. Leicester High Market bus station. High Market Center on the top of that building there. Got Primark as well. Chinese restaurant. Yes, this is Pak High Street.
Itu masuk dari situ itu.
Welcome to Leicester city center. It's quite busy. A lot of people shopping. Chicken and burger, spaghetti. What this place is?
Okay. This is famous in Asia, especially in Philippines. This is Jollibee.
This is Clock Tower of Leicester. It's quite nice, isn't it, Pak?
Yeah, very nice. Down.
Oh, they have market there
Yeah.
as well.
You can
We go to the market. It's been 700 years old, there, market. It's multicultural city, Leicester.
Go that way.
So many birds, pigeon having shower there. Okay, this is the town hall square, fountain. Going to the market. It's been 700 years old market in Leicester. Very famous. Here. Yes. Leicester market. It's got a lot of vegetable and fruits. They try to closing down now. They're going to close. They're going to close now, Pak. Potatoes, broccoli, carrot. Got fruit there as well.
This seedless or?
Yeah, both really nice.
How much you spend?
£3 only.
£3.
See?
Brilliant, thank you.
Kiri, Pak. Nih. Here, Pak, sini. Lot of cafe around here. Coffee shop. We go. This is the cathedral here.
Yeah, we haven't done anything.
saya beli Jollibee untuk anak saya, Pak.
Boleh. Beli apa?
Tadi Jollibee tadi untuk anak.
Oh, oke oke. It's 4:30 in the afternoon already. Still a little bit light now. In England, normally this time is already dark.